Welcome to the StatTree video module for the Summers D-test. To test whether there is an association between two ordinal variables, where one of the variables is assumed to be dependent on the other, similar to a simple linear regression, the Summers D-test would be appropriate. You will need two ordinal variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any two of the response options for the first question regarding favorite type of show would be appropriate for this test. For this demonstration, we will use drama and action. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose drama as the independent variable and action as the dependent variable. To conduct a Summers D-test, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find the significance figure here. As you can see, we have met our significance criteria for the Summers D-test for association when action is treated as the dependent variable. Here is your test result. You would report this figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.